Stand by. Process identify yourself, please.
My name is Robert Hill, Chief Executive Officer, Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation.
Day 2 of the carnival. I know that day 1 you weren't pleased with some stuff. Can you just give me your assessment of this?
Well, I must say that it has been a vast improvement in terms of the cleanup of the painted areas that were inundated, particularly coming from the complaints from residents along the route that the Juve persons marched. There are still some areas that need attention. We did an assessment just tonight, and we realized that some carpet places are still marked with the Juve paint in the New Kingston area, generally speaking, and in Halfway Tree as well.
Road signs. Road signs as well.
And road signs, directional signs have been impacted by paint, so we expect that the organizers will take heed and have that rectified in the shortest possible time. For today, I must say that I'm quite impressed. Over last year, the bands, the organizers, promoters did stick to their word, and they have partnered under the supervision of the National Solid Waste Management Authority. As you can see behind me, I'm on Tobago Avenue right now, where the cleanup is in place. We're about around 10 o'clock, and this has been going on since the reveling would have ceased earlier today. The plan was, of course, to have the cleanup crews appended to each band, so as the revelers would have passed, the cleanup would have begun. So what we're seeing here is the evidence of a conjoined effort, and one that has borne fruit to ensure that the city is back to normal as best as possible come tomorrow, Monday the 29th.